Hello, my name is Sarah Jane. I'm a PR practitioner living in DC, and I make a lot of content on reading and life in my 30s. So welcome to my channel. If that kind of content interests you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So I live in Northern Virginia, right outside of DC, and I bought this condo when I was 28 years old. Pretty proud of myself for that. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So since then, I have gotten married and my husband has moved in with me. I have not actually done a full home tour, so I thought it'd be really great to show you guys and share with you guys what it looks like decorated for the holidays before we take everything down now that Christmas is already over. So when you first walk in, the first thing you really see is this tree. This is our real tree. It's drooping a little bit because it's been up since December. But I love it. My husband and I go every year to a local nursery and we pick out a tree together. So yeah, the tree is decorated this year with little red bows because I thought that was really cute. I used to decorate my tree with red and yellow like decorative balls, and somewhere along my move I've seemed to lost them, so I had to buy new ones. So some of my favorite ornaments on this tree is first this hand-blown ornament. I got this in 2017 when I was in Germany. It's very customary in Germany that people have handmade trinkets, and so I picked that one up when I was there. Another one that's my favorite is this engaged when my husband proposed to me. We got this one. And then I picked this one up in Denver. This was handmade by a local artisan, and I was visiting my friend last month and I got that one. And then the most recent one I picked up is this one, this cute little oyster one. It says First Christmas Married. And so my husband and I got married this year, so I got that one for that. And something missing from this tree this year is the DC White House ornaments. Those are ones that I want to start collecting. So I actually have already ordered this year's. It's just late getting here, but the other ones from previous years where I've lived in the area, I do want to go ahead and order those and start collecting those as well, because I don't know how long we're going to live here, but while we're here, I thought it'd be really nice to collect those. So on the fireplace mantle, I just have this faux garland, which I've had for years now, and I just put it up here every year. And then I have these stockings that I got from Target's Home of the Hearth collection, as well as this really cute stocking holder from Target. I have not gotten these embroidered yet with our names, but that is something that's on my to-do list for next year. So one for my husband, one for me, and one for our dog. All around the house you'll see these little cute nutcrackers. So this is a Moses nutcracker, and these are just gifts from my husband's family, so we have those around the house. So this is probably my most prized possession of the holiday season this year, because this is my little Christmas village. I have never had a Christmas village before. I didn't know anyone that had a Christmas village, but I saw this on TikTok and immediately became obsessed. I had actually thrifted all of these Christmas village houses, and which I'm very proud about. We have a couple from Department 56, we have a couple from Lenox, and I've loved that I've been able to thrift them. Not only is it more financially responsible, but I love the idea that these have been in previous homes and that I'm sort of carrying them on moving forward. We have one from 1982, we have another one from 1989, and we have another one from 2002. So I'm really, really proud of being able to thrift all these, and I think they're so cute and just so much fun. So this is my first year with the Christmas Village, and I really want to expand this moving forward into next year. So moving to the dining room table, something I've recently started doing as of last year is whenever people send me Christmas cards, I've actually started collecting them and punching a little hole in it and putting it on this little key ring, and then every day I flip to someone new and I just put that on the table. And I really love doing this because I feel like I am constantly seeing my loved ones and then watching them as they grow. So I always just leave this on the dining room table. So this is my bar cart, which is very, very new, and I'm still in the process of decorating it, but I've put my more contemporary Christmas village houses here. I collected these from Target last year, and I thought they were really cute, but they didn't really match the Christmas village over at my buffet table, so I just put them up here to have a little bit of holiday cheer. So this Polish house is actually one of my favorites that I've gotten this year. This one I did pay full price, so I went to the Baltimore Christmas market. There was an authentic Polish seller who was selling a ton of her Polish village houses, so I did purchase this one, and it doesn't really go with the other houses, but I still wanted to give it a little spot here. So speaking of thrifting, one thing I actually also found at the thrift store were these little beverage cups. I got these for like $1.50 each instead of $4, and I love them. They're perfect for serving glühwein or eggnog, and I love that I was able to give them another home as well. So moving into the kitchen, I didn't do a ton of decorating in the kitchen for Christmas, but just 2 little things. The first one is over here by my coffee nook. So I hung up our little Christmas mugs that I've collected over the years. These 2 are from the Baltimore Christmas market that I was just talking about, and then this one was from the Nuremberg Christmas market, and this one was from Munich. So I've just collected those over the years, and I just love to hang them here and keep them where I can see them. And then if we go over here, this is just a piece of ribbon that I've taped to the cabinet, and every year when people send me Christmas cards, I always put the Christmas cards of the year like pinned up here, so that way I can see them every day and just like see that people are thinking about us. So this is always the current year, and the ones that I keep on the table are from previous years. So even though I don't really decorate the kitchen a lot for Christmas, I do pull out our Christmas plates and cups and things like that. So this was gifted from my mother-in-law. This was actually gifted from one of her Polish friends. So I lived in Poland for 3 months while I was with the Army, and I just really grew an affinity for Polish pottery, and so when she asked if we would like this as a Christmas set, of course I said yes. So I have the plates, the salad plates, and of course I have the mugs, which the mugs are my favorite. I like to use these every day. Alright, going into the bedroom now. First, if you guys have been part of this channel, you probably have not seen the blue color that we just painted the room. So this is new. It was not for Christmas. We just painted the room. But anyways, I didn't do a ton of decorating for Christmas in the bedroom, but I do love to change up the bedding. So I got this hunter green crinkle duvet, velvet crinkle duvet from West Elm, and I love it. It's been a great little addition to the room. So anyways, that's how I've set up and decorated my home for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because it really helps support my channel, and I am super excited to have the decorations up just for a little bit longer this year and start fresh into the New Year's. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!